Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys 3 ways to clear out pollutants from your body in Heartopia when you're underwater and cleaning up the pollutions. So we all know you can clean yourself in the coral area over here. It says clean water flow, your body is being washed by the clean current. Um, you're also able to be cleaned by your friends. So I have an example here of me cleaning off the pollutant from another player. But basically you just aim your cleaning tool at them and you just clean away. It's not that difficult. And the third way is if you're not underwater anymore, you can actually clean yourself using a shower or a bathtub and stuff like that to clean off the pollutant, so you don't have to go back underwater to clean it off. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!